All right, quick interruption. As the authority of all things manly, I want to tell you something, boys. There is one tool that's indispensable for working on your car, and it is a proper torque wrench. And don't you be getting that pansy-ass digital one. Just playing, those are probably fine. But you best know how to run a regular old school torque wrench, okay? You best know that you need to loosen the spring on it when you're not using it. So this thing called for 40 foot-pounds of torque. I stepped it up in increments. You need one of these. Do not do a ugga-dugga. Do not put it kind of quarter turn tight. None of that nonsense, okay? Get you a torque wrench and use the right bit, okay? This one actually works very well with a 12 point, but a lot of shit doesn't, and you will round your bolt off if you use a 12 point instead of a 6 point. If you don't know how to run one of these, ask your girlfriend, and she will be banging some other dude that knows how to run one, and ask him how it's done, okay? That is a PSA from Betty Boy. I just had to put that out there, all right? All right, back to work.